Today we are solving the questions of first unit test which was conducted on 3rd of September 2020, and here we have the third question given. A matrix and B matrix, we have to find out the value of A square minus BA minus B square. So firstly we'll find out A square. A square is A into A, 1236 into 1236. We'll take the first column of the second matrix, 1, 3. So 1 into 1, 1, plus 3 into 2, 6. 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 6, 18. Take the second column, 2, 6. 2 into 1, 2, plus 6 into 2, 12. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 3, 6. Plus 6 into 6, 36. So, value of A square will be 7, 14, 21 and 42. Similarly, in the same way, we will find out BA. So, B matrix will come first, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, and A is 1, 2, 3, 6. Take the first column. So, 2, 3 into 3, 9, minus 1, 3 into 0, 0. Take the second column, 2, 6. So 2 into 2, 4. 6 into 3, 18. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 6 into 0, 0. So it will give you 11, minus 1, 22 and minus 2. Right? In the third part, we have to find out B square, that is B into B. 2, 3, minus 1, 0. 2, 3, minus 1, 0. We'll take the first column, minus 2, minus 1. 2 minus 1. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1 into 0, 0. Next column, 3, 0. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 0 into 0, 0. So it will give 1, minus 2, 6, minus 3. So A square, BA and B square. Now substitute the value in the given equation. A square. A square is 7, 14, 21, 42. Minus BA, 11, 22, minus 1, minus 2. Minus B square, 1, 6, minus 2, minus 3. Now, 7 minus 11, minus 4, 14 minus 22, minus 8, 21 plus 1, 22, 42 plus 2, 44, minus 1, 6, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 4, minus 1, minus 5, minus 8, minus 6, minus 14, 22 plus 2, 24, 44 plus 3, 47. So your answer is minus 5, minus 14, 24 and 47. Question number 4. The image of point 2, 1 along a mirror line is 5, 2. So let these 2 points be A and B, and they are reflected along the mirror line, name it L. So the distance of object from the mirror and the distance of image from the mirror will be same. So this point will be the midpoint of AB. Midpoint, x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. So the coordinate of midpoint is 7 upon 2, comma 3 upon 2. Now we have to find out the equation of line which passes through the midpoint of these 2 points. So it passes to 7 by 2, comma 3 by 2. And it is perpendicular to the line joining A and B. A is 2, 1, B is 5, 2. let the slope of this line be m1, and m2 we will find by using formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 1 upon 3. When two lines are perpendicular to each other, then their slopes will be same. So m1 will be equal to minus 3. Now m1 is minus 3. Point given, slope given. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. We'll take 2 LCM. 2y minus 3 minus 3, 2 LCM, 2x minus 7. Now cancel 2 from both sides. So 2y minus 3 is equal to minus 6x plus 21. 6x plus 2y is equal to 24. 2 common from left hand side, 3x plus y is equal to 24 to 12 times. So the equation will be 3x plus y is equal to 12. In the question number 5, we have a cone given whose height is capital H, and we know the height of the cone is 40 centimeters. It is given, right? A small cone is cut off at the top by the plane parallel to its base. A small cone is cut off at the top. So let the radius of a small cone be x, r, small r, and height of a smaller cone be small h. Let r be the capital R be the radius of bigger cone, right? Okay. So here we have two triangles given, A, B, and C, L, M. ABC triangle, ALM triangle. These two lines are parallel. It is given. So this angle will be common for both the triangle. Angle A is equal to angle A, and 90 degree, 90 degree. So angle ABC is equal to angle ALM, 90 degree. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle ALM by angle. When two triangles are similar to each other, then their sides will be proportional to each other. The small l will proportional to capital H, a small r proportional to capital R. We get the first condition. In the next part, question is saying the volume of a smaller cone is 1 by 64 part of volume of bigger cone. Volume of a smaller cone is 1 upon 3 pi small r square h. Let me shift. And 1 upon 64 times, so volume of bigger cone is 1 upon 3 pi capital R square h. 1 upon 3 pi, 1 upon 3, 5 cancel out. Bring it down. Small r square upon capital R square is equal to 1 upon 64 small h upon capital H. Small r upon capital R can be written as small h square upon capital H square. Now shift it. It will give small h cube is equal to 164 of capital H cube. And as we all know, capital H is given. H cube is equal to 1 by 64 of 40. Capital H is given 40. 40 into 40 into 40. 4 16 times, 10 times, 4 4 times, 10 times, 4 10 times. So H cube will be equal to 1000. So H is equal to 10 centimeter. So if this will be 40 and this will be 10, at what height above the base is the section cut? So total height minus height of a small cone, that is 30. So small cone is cut off at a height of 30 centimeter. In this question we have to prove sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 sec theta minus tan theta plus 1 minus 2 tan theta is equal to 0. We will take the LHS. So sec theta plus tan theta minus 1. And here sec theta, take minus common, tan theta minus 1, bracket close. So a plus b, a minus b, it will give a square minus b square minus 2 tan theta sec square theta minus expand a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2 tan theta sec square theta minus 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta minus 2 tan theta minus 2 tan theta multiply minus sec square theta plus 2 tan theta minus 2 tan theta. It will get cancelled out. We get 0.